So today I'm going to show you how to attach the wheel and handle system to your bag. So you'll find the handle and wheel system here, and you'll just have to complete the assembly by removing the two screws. Then you'll place the foot into the wheel assembly, like so, and just reinstall the screws. Okay, then the handle and wheel is ready to go. So you want to take the bag, and you'll see that for your convenience we've already pre-drilled the holes so that you know exactly where the wheel is going to go. So all you'll have to do is just line up the holes with the holes in the telescoping handle. So, but one thing you might want to do is take a drill, and we have included a drill bit for you. So you want to take that drill bit, put it in a drill, and just simply make sure you clean out the holes a little bit. And best thing to do is put the drill in reverse so that you don't wad up the material, and just make sure that the holes are cleaned up a little bit so you don't have trouble when you're inserting the rivets. Like so. Okay, so you want to place the bag on the wheel system, like so, and then on the rivet sheet that we've provided, you'll want to use this rivet right here, and so you'll just take the rivets and you'll insert those into the handle. And then you'll take a couple of the smaller washers that you have here, and then the rivet gun that we've provided, and you'll just simply place the rivet gun over the rivet, and then insert the rivet into the hole like so, and then you'll place the rivet, or excuse me, the washer over the rivet like so. And then you'll just simply squeeze the trigger on the rivet gun. Until you hear the clicking noise. You do the same for the next side. I'll see if I can show you what it looks like when you slide the washer over the rivet. Okay, and then the next part you want to do is the wheel part. So same thing, you want to take your drill, make sure the holes are lined up. You can see the holes here. You just want to drop it straight down into the wheel base, and then just simply make sure that the holes are cleaned up so you won't have any problems when you're inserting the rivet. Like I say, you want to make sure that the drill's in reverse so that you don't wad up the material into the drill bit. So for this, you want to use the smaller rivet, which is this one right here. And for this, you'll use two of the bigger washers that we've provided and two of the smaller washers. So what you'll do is you'll put the washer over the rivet like so, and insert that from the outside. like so. And then you'll just do the same thing. You'll place that small washer over the rivet. Like so. And then you want to do the same thing for the foot, just clean up the holes a little bit. Okay, so for this rivet, you'll use this rivet right here. And on this rivet, you'll want to insert them on the inside of the bag. So you'll take your rivet and just insert those into the hole, like so. And then you'll want to take a couple of these small washers. You'll be putting them there and sliding it over the top of the rivet. But for this part, you might want to use this little tool that's included with the rivet gun. Because you'll have a hard time getting your fingers in, so this little tool will just kind of help you push that washer up over the rivet like so. So you place the rivet gun on the rivet. Put that washer over there. Push it on like so. And the same thing with the other side, just place it over the rivet. Put your washer on like so, push it down. And that's how you attach the wheel to your bag. And if you have any problems with it, just let us know. Give us a phone call and we can walk you through the steps if there's if somehow it didn't go together just like it showed in the video. Thank you.